Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp GB inaccurate date. To know how to fix or how to solve GB WhatsApp inaccurate date, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter here. After that, in this page, you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and that's all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.